And hello my brothers, welcome to this video in which we are going to see how to add frame generation to The Witcher 3 for all GPUs. In this video, we are going also to add DLSS 4.5 with FSR 4. It's even working with any GPU. So my brothers, follow me. First thing you have to do is downloading this file. The links are in my Discord server. You can join my Discord server and speak or say what you want. So this is the link. You can go to my Discord, of course. After that, extract the file and then copy those. Go to your game folder location. This is The Witcher 3. If you have Steam version, just go here. Go to bin, then DX12. Make sure to go to the DX12 and here just paste, replace. Okay, that's good. Go down, setup, Windows, double click this, run, choose one. If you have Nvidia GPU, choose 2. If you have AMD or Intel, choose 1. I have Nvidia GPU, so 2, and it's done. Now what you have to do is open your game. If it is working, this will show up. Now go to your game. After going to your game, just click insert key. If it doesn't open this menu, just make sure to double click it. Here you can tweak things. For frame generation, choose this option, DLSS G. And here in the DLSS, you can here choose FSR. This FSR, if you change, will give you the FSR 4 option. For me, I will use DLSS because I have RTX GPU. Here, render presets override, check this box. What you have to do now is save, then restart the game. After restarting the game, go to your game options, then go to video, display, and here you can enable DLSS frame generation, even if you have AMD or Intel GPU. Okay, other thing I have to say is make sure to enable DLSS in the settings of the game. You can enable DLSS even if you have, as I said, AMD or Intel GPU, because this mod will make you do that. If you can't enable DLSS, go to your game folder, DLSS overrides, disable signature override. If it doesn't work, enable it and disable it. As you can see, my brothers, my FPS did go up from 80 to 130. So when you open now the Optiscaler menu, you can override your model. For example, let's choose preset scale. As you can see, the game now is sharper. You can tweak everything. You can use FSR if you chose this and then change upscaler. The game will freeze a little bit. As you can see, you are using now FSR. For me, I don't like the FSR. I like DLSS because I have FX GPU. It's sharper. Okay, my brothers, thank you for watching. If you have a game that you want to add frame generation to it, just tell me and I will make video for you. See you in the next one.